Mastering the many meanings of scale in English. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we are going to dive into the word scale. At first glance, it might seem like a simple word, but in the English language, scale can have various meanings depending on the context. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use and understand the word scale in its different forms. Let's jump in. 1.1 Measuring tool. Scale can refer to a tool or device used to measure weight. For example, I stepped on the scale to check my weight. 1.2 Thin plates on animals. It can also mean the small, thin, flat plates that cover the bodies of certain animals, like fish or reptiles. The fish's scales shone in the sunlight. 1.3 A set sequence of notes. In music, a scale is a set sequence of musical notes ordered by frequency or pitch. She practiced the major and minor scales on her piano. 1.4 Proportional size. Scale can refer to the size or extent of something, especially when compared to a model or representation. The model airplane is built to a 1:100 scale. 2.1 To climb. When we use scale as a verb, it can mean to climb up or over something tall or steep. The mountaineer wanted to scale the highest peaks. 2.2 To adjust proportionally. It can also mean to change the size of something while keeping its proportions. Businesses often use this when they talk about growing. The startup plans to scale its operations worldwide. 2.3 To remove scales. In the context of fish, to scale means to remove the scales from its body. Before cooking the fish, you need to scale it. 3.1 Scale down, up. This refers to reducing or increasing the size, extent, or importance of something. Due to budget cuts, they had to scale down the event. As demand grew, they decided to scale up production. 3.2 Tip the scales. This idiom means to change the balance or situation in favor of one side or another. His last-minute goal tipped the scales, leading his team to victory. Scale is indeed a versatile word in English with various meanings depending on the context. I hope this video helped shed light on its different uses. Remember, understanding the context is key to determining the right meaning. Keep practicing, and soon, the word scale will be second nature to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Happy learning, and until next time.